So friends, today we are finding total value and then we have to go to rounding off. Here we are asked, what is the total value of digit 8 in 84,745? Solution there, we have 84,745. So here we are seeing that here is 10 is ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So you have 80,000. So you just since this one is less than 5, so we'll write them all as 00. So we have 80,000 here. And what's the total value of digit 2 in this now number? Here we have 47,219. Solution there we have 47,219. So here we are seeing that is 1, and here we have ones, tens, and 100. So we have here 200. Then we'll go to the round off, and 8,742 to the nearest 100. So here we have tens, here we have 800 and 8,742. Here we have ones, tens, then 100, then we have thousands. And we are told to round off to the nearest 100. So when we are rounded off to hundreds, when we are asked to round off a number, then we will go to the next. For example, if we are asked about to round off to the tens, we will look for ones. And if we are asked about hundreds, we will go to, we'll check the tens. For our case here, we are asked hundreds. So therefore, we will go to our tens. So our tens here we have 40, which is now 4, which is less than 5. So therefore, we'll drop it. So it will turn to 0. So we have 0, 0. And we have 87, 0, 0. If this will have been 5 or 6 or 7, we will have been rounded off to the next. So this one will have become what? 8. And since now this one 4 is now less than 5, 4 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5, here we have to drop it and we have to turn it 0. We have to make it 0. Then here we are asked round off 957,842. 957,842 to the nearest thousands. So here we have tens, where we have ones, we have tens, we have 100, we have thousands, we have 10,000, and we have 100,000. And we are asked to the nearest thousand. So if we are asked about thousands, here we have tens, ones, tens, 100, thousands. So we are asked thousands, so we will check for our 100. So our 100 there is 8. So that means we will round off. Then this one now will become, we'll add 1 to the next value. Now this will become 8. So you have 95, 8, 4, and 8, 42. So this one will remain the way it is. We'll round off. In fact, this one will become 0, 0, 0. Because we have this one, we make it, we round it off to 8. This one is 100. So this one will become 8. So if this will become 8, then this one we have already rounded off. This one will return to 0, 0, 0. We'll make it 0, 0, 0. And then here we have 958 958 thousands. Since now 8 is more than 5. So we have ones, tens, 100, and our 100 is here, which is 8, and which is more than 5. Therefore, we will add 1 value to the next. So that's why we have 95, 8, and then everything there after there will be returned to 0, 0, 0, 0. So therefore, we will have 958,000. Make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss the next lessons. Stay tuned and be blessed.